So now we are in the Volkswagen booth and we're moving into the Tycoon SUV. That's the thing we will be covering first, because this is what you guys want to see, I know that. And this is similar to the Skoda's concept vehicle that we saw, but this is way more close to its production. So what you guys are experiencing here is a car that you will very soon see on our own roads. I love the wheel design, so we're going to zoom into it. Look at that wheel. I love the LED continuous band of tail lamp. I mean, if you take a look, some of these cars are just entry-level SUVs. These are gonna compete against the likes of the Hyundai Creta, which also got relaunched in a new way. But I think Hyundai's got a stiff competition if the cars from Skoda and VW look like this. We already know how much superior they are in performance, and their engine and their automatic gearbox options are already, you know, they're top of the line DCT 7-speed transmission gearboxes. So I guess when you have the looks of this attached to something like that kind of performance, it is only expected that these will sell well in the market. Obviously Skoda and VW are kind of a little bit more expensive to maintain because of the parts and everything, but Skoda does come with a 5-year warranty now with full free servicing and all of that included. So they are definitely trying to attack the Indian market very aggressively with products which really make sense for the Indian market. And the likes of Tata Motors and all of the Indian players like Maruti and all, they've got a stiff competition against the Brezza and other cars like their premium hatchbacks, because VW and Skoda are really turning up the game. A lot of people were telling me that in India we don't see so many Skoda cars, and VW, though we see them a little bit more, it's still not a mainstream brand. I think that's all gonna change with the new cars. So this is the VW's Race Polo, race spec version, kind of like, you know, these brands are so much into rally, and so they bring these kind of concept cars into India, kind of like the rally spec cars and concept cars, to show off their technological prowess. That's the Race Polo, and let's go up front and show you the front. That's a nice car out there. Let's move into some other cars.
You're also a part of the team, right?
Volkswagen has got a lot of seating spaces. If you get tired, you know, watching the Expo, you can go into that. Okay, so now we are moving into some of the Volkswagen's futuristic cars, and we have got another Tiguan, but I'm more going to be interested in this. Just look at that. Oh my god, this car looks so gorgeous. It's probably one of the most exciting cars that I've seen this year at the Expo. That's the side view for you guys. Plans to launch something like this. BMW's X6 sport SUV sedan crossover kind of a car. So very futuristic, obviously EV. Let's show you the DRLs a little bit. Let's go up close and personal with the car. Just look at that. Excuse me.
Oh no.
Thanks.
Oh yeah.
So that's based on the MEB platform, modular electric drive metrics. I would say this is the best looking concept car. I haven't seen the entire Expo, but what I've seen so far, this definitely takes the cake. So this is the overall Volkswagen booth. And it's a good buy from here. Let's move on to the next one.